In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable spell check on Notion. We know how important it is to customize your user experience to fit your personal needs or preferences. Maybe you find the red squiggly lines of spell check distracting as you write, or perhaps you don't need assistance with spelling as you draft your pages in Notion. Whatever your reason, turning off spell check can be quick and easy, and today we'll guide you through the process. To get started, open up your Chrome browser on your computer. You'll want to ensure Chrome is your active window, so everything we do aligns just right. Once you have Chrome up and running, look towards the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll notice a set of 3 vertical dots. These dots are your gateway to more options within Chrome, serving as a menu of sorts. When you click on these dots, a drop-down menu will appear, featuring numerous settings and options. Your next step is to find and click on Settings. This is usually towards the bottom of the drop-down list. Selecting Settings will bring you to a new page where you can see various options available for customizing your browsing experience. You might feel tempted to explore, but stay with me as we navigate specifically toward disabling the spell check. Now that you have the settings page open, look for the languages section. It might take a little scrolling to find, depending on how you've customized your Chrome settings, but it's typically not too far down. What you're looking for here is the option labeled spell check. This section is crucial because it houses the very setting we want to change. Once you've found the spell check section, take a moment to review what's listed. You should see toggle switches adjacent to the languages you have enabled on your browser. To turn off spell check across the board, simply flip the switch to the off position. However, if you prefer to be more selective, you can choose to disable spell check for specific languages by adjusting their respective toggles. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can disable spell check in Chrome and, in effect, customize your Notion user experience to better suit your needs. With spell check disabled, you'll no longer see those pesky red lines as you write in Notion, providing you with a cleaner and potentially less distracting interface. Remember, changes in Chrome settings affect your general browsing experience, not just Notion, so consider how these adjustments might impact other activities you perform online. Thanks for watching, and if you found our instructions helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tech tips.